Hello, David here, MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Beautiful sunny spring day. We have a 2025 Sunliner 25-foot 250. We have the metallic black with the shiny flake in it, black fencing, beach tan interior, center walkthrough with power bimini. It's a beautiful boat. Access halfway down on the port side. Our halo power bimini above our head. A large swim platform in the aft. Boat's powered with a black Mercury 250. Let's get up on deck. I'll show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we moved up on deck. As I mentioned, beach tan interior, seagrass flooring, dual captain's chairs. These boats are optioned either with a table or a change house. This boat we opted with a table. The in-floor storage is also an option. As I move over here to the helm, we have our matching captain's chair, with adjustable seat base. Goes up, down, front, back, and spin all around. We have our JL head unit with 6 speakers. Our Simrad 9 touchscreen. All of our switches over here, wireless charger, digital throttle, and digital shift. This boat is a center walkthrough design and available at MarineMax. Come on down, let's see the rest of the boat. Thank you.